Welcome back to Kids Learning Express. In previous class, till this we have seen. Okay, remaining part we will see. Already I told you what type of season, what type of clothes we will wear. Okay, now we will see material for clothes. Okay, clothes can be made from natural fiber. It means material available in nature. Okay, or synthetic fiber man-made. Okay, yeah, wool and cotton. Early man discovered the sheep wool. It means can be rolled into a loose yarn for weaving into a cloths. Hence, he started to make woolen cloths. Man also learned to make a fiber from plants like a cotton. So they will take a sheep of the skin, they will color it, they will make it as a woolen dress. Okay. Silk. In China, man discovered how to use the fine thread from the cocoon of a silkworm to weave a beautiful silk fabric. See, this is the cocoon uh, silkworm. Okay, it gives like a this much. It will give like a silk. Okay, daily they will collect it and they will make it as a silk thread and they will color it and they will wear it. They will give it to the weavers, so they will weave as like a sari, silk blouse or something like that. We will buy and we will put as like a silk dress. Okay, they will give like this, they will color for silk thread. Okay, nylon. Man has also learned to make a synthetic fiber from crude oil. This is also used to weave a fabric called nylon or rayon. See, this is all called nylon dress. Okay, spinning. So this one how this fiber changed into fabric we will learn. Okay, spinning. The raw fiber, cotton, silk, wool or synthetic fiber also are twisted to make a thread or yarn. This is called spinning. Okay, already I told you. The spinning was earlier done in Chakra in India. Later on, the spinning jenny was used. Now, sophisticated machine in textile fabrics do their work. Mahatma Gandhi encouraged the use of hand woven fabric khadi. Okay, see, in previous olden days, they used to take like a cotton from the plants. Okay, they will give make it as a thread or something like that. They will weave it as a cloth. For Mahatma Gandhi, they will make a cloths with the cotton. Okay, cotton. He used to make his own cloths with the cotton cloths. For this called khadi. Weaving. In second step, the yarn or thread is made into fabric by weaving. A big machine is called looms. The looms crisscross the long thread to weave them in a fabric or cloths. Many weavers weave the thread on hand looms by hand. The world today buys saris on looms and weavers of Banaras, West Bengal, etc. Now fabrics is made on power or machinized looms also. Fabrics are later dyed to get colorful material. So as you all know. Furnishing of the fabric, dyeing. The process by which the fabric is given color is called dyeing. See, the man is doing what he is doing as they have taken the silk thread for weaving. He will give with the what color you like. Okay, this for this dress we will add this color, it will look attractive. For that he will think and he will make color it with hot water dyed. Okay, dye, he will use dye with the hot water, he will pour it and he will make it color like this. Okay, for that only it is written here. Now beautiful pattern are printed on the colored fabric. This is done in various ways. Okay, the final stage of the finishing step is when a special treatment is given to the fabric that makes it waterproof or stops it from shrinking and wrinkling. This makes the fabric smooth and gives it to shine too. The fabric is now ready to fashioning the cloths into your cloths. Till now, this is enough for you. Rest remaining we will see in next class. Okay, children. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt in this, please ask me in comment so I can clarify the doubts. Okay, children. Remaining care of our clothes storage we will see, and question answer also we will see in next class. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.